You might be like me and you have a small area in your garage that you do woodworking or whatever, and it gets really cold in the winter. I've got a solution for you. Stay tuned. I wanted to do a quick video here and show kind of what I did last year as winter approaches to be able to work in this little, I guess it's maybe about a 10 by 10 area here in my garage, which is for me enough. I won't be able to mess with anything over there, you know, like the oscillating spindle sander, you know, different things like that. But I will be able to have an area where I can work it. It's not really super cold. Just if I put up what I'm going to show you here, this little heater will be enough to keep me nice and warm through the winter. They have something at Home Depot called the zip wall, and you can get these poles. These poles come with it. There's 4 poles that come with it, and they basically, it's really for drywall, but there's the ceiling and just kind of compresses the ceiling, and then you put a little zipper in. You can zip it up and put the heater on, and you're nice and warm. Or you could insulate the whole garage, which I haven't done yet. So if you don't want to insulate your whole garage, you can use one of these. So now, come in here. There's a zipper on both sides. All right, so I've got it all set up, and it's 43 degrees in here, and I'm gonna time it and see. Actually, to start off, I've got 2 space heaters. This one's only on. Anyway, I've got 2 space heaters just to get it all warmed up. Then I'll just run one and see how long it takes. And it actually took about 2 hours, to tell you the truth. You know, but I've got this whole side here that's not insulated. Of course, you can go and insulate, you know, if you just want to insulate your garage, that's fine too. I mean, for me, I just didn't want to do it this year. So anyway, all together, I use these poles, but you could probably use 2x4s and, you know, or, you know, even 1x2s up on the ceiling to secure it, and down below, you know, it can kind of hang and do something, kind of secure it on the below. There's so many different ways to do this. My whole point in this is if you wanted to just have that easy fix and not have to, I don't know, I guess insulating is really not that hard to do. But this works for me, and I don't have to do all that, and I don't have to move my wife's car out of the garage and other stuff, and it makes it easier. So anyway, appreciate you watching. Subscribe if you haven't. It really helps support my channel. and helps me, encourages me to do more videos. Thanks for watching.